Ayurveda tells us that each individual is a unique person and to thereby design treatment protocols that specifically addresses the person's health challenges. To achieve this, Ayurveda has evolved processes that makes administering the gemstones in medicinal form more practical.
There are two methods in which the gems are used. One is the internal and one is the external. Internal cannot directly be used, so it has to be first purified and made into a form of bhasma. So this is a very long process, and why this process is used is there are two things in any gem or whatever you want to use. One is the more useful matter in that. So by this process we try to enhance the potency of the medicine and remove all the, filter out all the unwanted things. So these processes that have been explained in the book is first they purify the whole thing and then they make it into bhasma by giving a lot of putams and other things. The general method is that they are heated and then put into different decoction of different herbs and thus purified. Generally some gems are prepared in 2 or 3 different forms. For example, this is coral. When this is processed and it is made into bhasma, it is white in color like this. So it goes through a purification process and then a process in which it is put into the fire. For each different gem they give different degrees. Furthermore classification is made where you want to have extreme cooling effects like in case of say ulcers and things like that. So at that time this same coral is made in the form of a pishti. This is prepared only at night to give excessive cooling effect, especially in the moonlight, and using milk, and then it is ground into powder for so many nights. So that is the description given. This is the pishti. You can see the color difference between the two. All the three are the same products. Nowadays things have become very simple. Instead of just popping some bhasma into the mouth, to avoid the excess dosage and things like that, people have come out with capsules, tablets. So many convenient methods have come out for using of the powders.
Gemstones should be generally used, sir. How it is to be used, sir? Say wearing it on oneself, definitely enhances the what you call his structural well-being, and it shows away all the evil effects of the environment on the personality. The internal use definitely brings about a drastic eradication of the problem that is troubling the individual. Atma is nothing but a state of pure happiness. Whenever we close our prayer, we say Shanti, Shanti, Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. This state of Shanti can be expressed only when the internal functioning of the indriyas and the organs support the external peaceful nature of the environment. So the external wearing of the gems and the internal usage of the gems definitely bring about a peaceful effect on both the individual and the surroundings. So it can spread the message. See, if every individual is kept at peace, it can bring about a general harmony in the society.